Welcome to the world of durian cultivation. Today, we begin with the foundation, planting the seedling. Durian trees need deep, fertile soil and plenty of space to grow. I dig a wide hole and place the young tree gently inside, making sure its roots stretch comfortably.
As the durian tree grows, proper care becomes the key. Young durian trees need consistent moisture. Water lightly every 2 to 3 days. I add organic fertilizer rich in nitrogen and potassium to support strong trunk and leaf growth. Durian trees prefer partial shade when young.
Durian trees can be sensitive, so protection is essential. I inspect the leaves often. Yellowing, holes, or mold mean trouble. Common pests like leaf miners and mealybugs can be controlled using neem oil or natural sprays. Pruning the lower branches improves.
After years of care, the miracle begins. Flowering. Durian blossoms open at night, inviting bats and insects to pollinate them. As fruits develop, I reduce watering slightly to improve flavor and prevent fruit drop. Durian fruits take months to mature.